Bitcoin is coiling up here for a tremendous move to the upside, and I'm gonna show you the imminent levels that we have to watch for this move, and also all the targets and my new trade entry that I'm going to take really soon. So make definitely sure that you are subscribed to this channel, liking this video, and also activate the bell to push this video to as many people as possible and for the algorithm. And now let's get directly into today's content. First of all, I want to start quick, really quick, with the futures market, with the CME. Here on the CME, I don't believe that we will get a huge CME gap unless Bitcoin would make a really strong impulsive move to the upside today to create a CME gap, but I don't see that happening. I see Bitcoin staying more or less where it is until CME is open and then potentially making a move. When we are going now to the 3 days chart on Bitcoin, I don't really like what I'm seeing, but we still have over 2.5 days left to close that candle. But for now, we have not crossed the 51% on the RSI, even though the stochastic is pointing to the upside. So we should get more momentum to the upside. And also the candle right now is also pushing a little bit to the upside, but is not yet about the EMA ribbon. We need to move $250 higher to be above the EMA ribbon, but this can happen in the next 2.5 days. And I think I have found one of the reasons why this will be happening really soon, and I'm gonna show it to you in a moment. Here on the 30 minutes chart, our potential trade setup has not worked out. And remember guys, I also told you that here, this downwards trending channel, I did not really like it. I said here is the potential of a higher risk scalp trade that we can try, but yeah, it did not work out. If you would have taken it, you would have gotten stopped out at least 2 times. So I'm gonna remove it from here. And now we are waiting for this consolidation to end and to get clear direction where the price might be heading. But the first level to watch for Bitcoin to move here into higher prices will be still $26,630. That has not changed yet. Here on the 4-hourly chart, drawn in some new resistance levels on this broadening falling wedge. So we had a really nice breakout to the upside. We cleared one resistance area from 26,080 to 26,350 and are now sandwiched between the next resistance level at 26,900 all the way up to $27,315. We have retested yesterday the bottom of that resistance, but got immediately rejected from there and now going sideways in between both zones until we get clear direction, and I believe the direction will be to the upside, smashing through this resistance and go even higher. So if I would be looking for a trade, I would be looking for a break above $26,600. There I would open a long position, and then my target would be all the way up here around 29K. Here on this 4-hourly chart, also still keep in mind on the VPVR, we have to clear this volume range, this resistance where the point of control is sitting for the bears right now at $28,200. Only if we reclaim that area on the VPVR, we are extremely bullish again. And until then, we have to be cautious with everything what Bitcoin is doing until we at least are above the golden ratio at 27,200, 27,081. So now let me show you why I believe that Bitcoin is about to have here a really big move in the next coming days. And that is here, this falling wedge that we have also on the 3-day charts, also on the daily. And we are running now into the 70 to 80% completion of the falling wedge, and usually in between there, we are breaking to the upside. And we are getting really close to the downwards sloping resistance line here in terms of price action. And usually when we get that close, we see at least an attempt to break through it. If not, we're gonna get the break to the upside. And you see I have here some purple strange dotting lines here on the screen. And that is the reason why I believe that we get really soon a move to the upside for Bitcoin. These are the CPR levels, which are pivots for last month here on the chart, and they are acting usually as a magnet for the price action. And you see we are already pretty close to it, and therefore I believe that the gravitation to these levels is just accelerating and will lead to a move in the next 48 hours in Bitcoin to the upside for both levels. And you see here, this is in perfect alignment with other levels that I had shown you guys before, the $27,500 level all the way up to $27,800, and then also here at the top at $28,900 all the way up to $29,200. So these levels are pretty accurate. And like I said, I believe they're going to act as a magnet for the Bitcoin price to move here into higher levels pretty soon. So unless, I want to have a look here quick. Yeah, unless tomorrow's candle starts out in red and moves to the downside and gives us an ugly Morningstar pattern, I believe that we could see tomorrow a potential breakout to the upside. But with the stochastic RSI already being overbought, it could be that we just get a retest of that level, get rejected, go sideways down along the downward sloping resistance line, and then when the indicators are cooled down, we get another leg to the upside where we are then breaking this and starting to go higher. But a retest of the initial level could be definitely in the cards for tomorrow. That's what I'm looking at. And that's also where I'm going to take a potential scalp trade, maybe a day trade. It will depend on how the price is unfolding, but that's what I'm looking at. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do this on BYBIT. There's still $30,000 for you absolutely for free with my specific link here, and also on ASCENDEX, $2,000 absolutely for free. And you earn Bitcoin while you're trading on their platform, which is really crazy. So I'm trading there already and earn in Bitcoin while I'm trading, and that is something really unique. So if you sign up on both platforms, you get combined $32,000 and earn Bitcoin while you are trading on top of that. So I would definitely take advantage of that, but make sure that you use only these links, because only with these links you will be able to claim these bonuses. Here on the Bitcoin dominance, we're gonna have a quick look here. We see some of the coins going up right now, but not tremendously. I would like to see a little bit more downside here to the downside, so that some altcoins can actually spike up here across the board. It's not completely green yet, but it might be happening in the next coming days. But maximum, I believe in the next 2-3 weeks, we're going to see here a nice run in most of all altcoins. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. It was a quick update because the weekend is quite boring and not much to say. I still hope that you enjoyed it, and make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.